Hello everybody, my name is Noor Siddiqui and my videos on managing stage fright. So, to start off, have you ever felt your heart race before you speak? I feel it every time. My chest tightens, my palms get sweaty and damp, and my mind wants to run away from that situation. That's the classic fight or flight response. An adrenaline rush that prepares the body to escape, but it can make a presentation terrible. So, when does that adrenaline really hit? It hits first, my voice quality changes, my pitch creeps higher, my rate speeds up, and I start to use vocal fillers such as or like. It's as if my body is trying to sprint to the finish line. So, the best tools that I've found come straight from our professional voice lectures, and it's the natural voice exercise. And here's how I use it. So, to start off, find a natural pitch. Before I speak, I hum a soft the same sound you make when you agree with someone. That vibration shows me my voice is most comfortable with. Apart from that, breath and pause. If I lose my place, I take a silent breath instead of filling the gap with or like. The lecture that we saw, it reminded us that a quiet pause can actually grab the audience's attention than rather using vocal fillers like or ah. So, apart from that, another practice that I use is the 150% practice. So, what is exactly the 150% practice? Is basically me using my voice 1.5 times more than my normal voice. So, it trains my ears to accept a stronger voice. So, when when I go up to a stage, I can confidently project back to the room without shouting. Apart from that, I use planned pacing. I mark natural pauses in my outline, slowing down sections where I tend to rush. That keeps my delivery conversational rather than monotone. Apart from that, I know that presentation anxiety is normal, but it doesn't have to control us, does it? By humming a or breathing through the silence and rehearsing with extra volume, I move my panic to presence, and I know you can too. So the next time you feel that surge of adrenaline rush, remember, pause, breathe, and let your natural voice take center stage. I hope this video was informative. Thank you for listening to me.